Hello everyone. In this video we are going to show you that how you can disable your Windows update permanently by using the services of Windows 10 or 11. So this video applies to the both Windows operating system, whether it's Windows 10 or 11. So without delay, let's get started. The first thing you should do, go to the Windows search and then look for services. When you search it, you will see that there is a services app, which is a system app. You just need to click and open that. Alright, now you can see that services app is open on your computer screen. You have to just scroll down, way down and look for Windows Update Services. And let's see where it is. Windows Update. That is the one. Double click on, you can see the status as of now it's running. So we just need to click and open that. The first thing you should do, just stop that and use that startup type, which is delayed start automatic. So we need to disable that. The reason why, because the next time when you restart your computer, turn off or turn on, if you do not change it to disable, it will start automatically. So it's good practice to just we can disable that startup type and then apply and OK. So now you will see that the startup type is disabled and the services have been disabled now. By doing this, your Windows will not pick up the updates automatically next time. Whenever you would like to just update your Windows operating system, make it enable and then check for updates on Windows Update settings. This is how you can disable your Windows Update automatic updates permanently on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computers. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.